to show you the works done by Homzinterio. So this is my showcase. We keep all the shoes over here, and this is where we keep our helmet. This is our showcase area, and we use this area to keep all our showpieces and all our trophies. This is the TV unit, and it is decorated with a lot of lights. It looks really pretty. And this area is the partition, and it separates the living room and the dining room. And this is the false ceiling. So we didn't want any curves, so this is the design that Homzinterio has created. It is turquoise in color, and it is actually our favorite color.
This is my bed, and that's my table,
And that is my bed, and that is my storage.
and this is my shelf.
And that is my shelf. And we like to play a lot of games over here. Yeah, this is our cupboard.
This is my keeping my clothes space.
This is my cupboard. Here is where we keep all our ethnic clothes and dresses and formal wear. So this is my aquarium. It acts like a partition between the stairs and the upstairs living room. These are our recliner sofas, and this wall is where we've done the wall planning. This is our false ceiling. Again, we don't have any curves. This is the bar unit, and we also have a fridge here. And this is our storage, and that is the bathroom. This is their study table. When they take a day off, they go come here. This is their bed, and that's their false ceiling. It is a very unique design of the wall. This is my parents' dressing table, and this entire area is the wardrobe. This is my parents' bathroom. As you can see, there are circular mirrors with lights around it, and they have a really big shower.